Hey y'all. So welcome back. I missed y'all. How y'all doing today? So I know y'all, it has been over 2 to 3 months since I last uploaded a video. It's crazy. But unfortunately, y'all, I have been working so much. I've been tired from working. I've not been feeling well, which is like so weird because I always feel well. But yeah, so I'm back. I'm doing what I gotta do. Yeah. So sorry. And also, even though I have not filmed no content on YouTube, go check out the TikTok. Yeah, go check it out. Cause I'm telling y'all, I got some good content on there. And plus, on top of that, the views been going crazy, y'all. So yeah, go follow that TikTok. So yeah. All right. So as you read today's title, y'all, I am dyeing my hair again. Yeah. So I have decided to go all in and recolor my hair red. Vivian Vicious? Whatever. Yeah. So I know you're probably gonna say, why don't you bleach your hair? And I've been asked this multiple times. Why don't you bleach your hair before you color your hair a darker color than what it already is? And because I've thought about bleaching my hair before, but unfortunately it's like bleaching itself is like highly expensive, which they have bleaching boxes like these, but they were like $20-some, and I was like, I'm not doing that. And yes, I could go to the hair salon, but then again, it's like even more expensive, I was told. So I was like, you know what's okay. Plus, I'm not really doing this for the full of this effect. I'm just doing it because I'm bored. So yeah. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Oh, and before I get into this, let me tell y'all the do's and the don'ts. I'm gonna try and yeah. So please, the do's: wash your hair 3 to 4 days before getting into the process, please, because if you don't, your hair's gonna fall out. Number 2, take your time. Take your time, sis. Take your time. 3, make sure the hair is kind of dirty before you do get into the process, because if not, like I said, your hair's gonna be a little damaged. You probably don't want that. Yeah, so make sure your hair's a little dirty for a better experience. And yeah, I wouldn't say go outside. That's for the don'ts. So yeah, and also please prepare for coloring. Now for the don'ts, I'm gonna put them on this. I'm gonna try and do my best on editing better. Never wear your favorite coloring shirt. Well, hold on, wait. Never wear your favorite t-shirt, because if you do, it's gonna get ruined and you're gonna be mad. Yeah. So do not wear your favorite t-shirt unless you do not have a shirt that you hate. And if you really want to like get crazy and you're like really crazy when it comes to coloring your hair, I would advise you to wear like two separate towels, one for the front and one for the back, unless you have like your own little thingy that they have the hair salons. But if you don't wear your favorite one, or it's gonna get ruined. Do not do this without gloves, please, because I've seen so many girls on TikTok, so many females on TikTok dye their hair with coloring on their hands, and they be like, I don't know where this came from. Sis, you know exactly where it came from. You're acting dumb. But yeah, so please, if you are doing this with a dark color, please use gloves. If you don't, then don't ask yourself questions. Also, another don't, do not leave this in overnight, please. Wait what says on the construction paper, I think. Yeah, do not do this overnight. So do this during the day or at night if you have time. Last but not least, do not style while situated. Or whatever it's called. Do not style your hair while your hair is being in the process of being colored, because it's gonna mess it up. So anyways, yeah, those are my do's and don'ts. So this is my 5th millionth time coloring my hair. Now, I have experience with this because I have done this before, and also I will have like my sister and mom, they stay coloring their hair, so I've kind of got like the view, and I kind of know what it's like doing this. So anyways, here's inside the box. I should like, ooh, got some scissors with me? I'm gonna like cut this. If I have scissors with me, I'm gonna cut this, because I don't want to keep on. Oh, great. The time I need scissors, I don't have a pair. That's great. Anyways, so let's go through let's see what's in here. I have my, what's this? The cream developer. Yeah, that. What did I have? This Yep. I have instructions with gloves in them. Let's see. Why am I wearing glasses? I don't know why I'm wearing glasses. Yes. So, come on. All right. Oh, and also I meant to say, for the don't wear nails, please. Because if you can't do nothing with nails on, then what makes you think doing this is gonna be better? Why is that it's a really big glue for the paper? All right. Also, make sure you read the instructions if it's your first time, because if not, you're gonna do something wrong. So please read the instructions. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. Now I'm not gonna read this because I've done it a million times, so that's kind of like, you know. And then last but not least, we have the hair color transfer thingy. Yeah. So now I know I told y'all not to wear y'all's favorite shirt, but because I've done this a million times, I kind of know the process of this. Taking this off. My hair looks so pretty and it's all done. So we gotta take it out. Okay. I'm gonna brush my hair. Oh, it's a little nappy. All right. Ooh, them edges are slayed though. I ate these up. Ooh, look at my edges though, and they stayed. Girl. Anyways, so let me get into this. Oh, I got shakers on. Wait. I'm telling you, I've done this a million times. I don't even know if I have to shake it or not. Okay. Let's see. Again, y'all, I wish I could pause this video so I could just get straight into it. Come on, what are you doing that for? Alright. What is this? Oh, something wrong with. Oops. Alright. I ain't gonna lie, this is always fun to me. Come on. Alright. Come on, Dr. Alyssa. Sounds good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this together. Sorry. Go ahead and undo this. Make sure I don't get this anywhere. Oh, I wear scissors to this point too? No, I don't. Okay. Alright. Ooh. I'm gonna do a little bit more just in case. Just in case. I feel it's gonna be like 10 minutes long. I already feel it. And this is what you use in the shower to wash your hair, in case you didn't know. Oh, I just realized I gotta take my shirt off after I dye my hair. I gotta change my shirt, y'all. I forgot about that. I'm gonna put y'all on pause. Ooh, wait, no, I can't. Fudge, yes I can. All right, I gotta change my shirt because I remembered when I have to take a shower, I gotta take my shirt off, and it was a little tight around the neck, and I don't want to get it wet. So, all right, let's finish this video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this into here. Oh, the lighting is like extremely dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this in here. That's nice. Dang. Woo. Put this back on here, just like that. God, this stuff stinks. And then this, we're gonna go ahead and throw this away because we don't need it anymore. So, throw it away. Oh, leave it right there. I'll get a little bit on the thing. Oops. All right, y'all. Let's go and get to the process of this. It's gonna take like 10 million years. And my hair ain't been washed in like 3 weeks because I already had this planned. So, yeah. It look good though. Alright. Let's get into this. Now, where should I start? It's not really a starting process. I hope that since my hair is flat on, I hope this don't mess my hair up. Because I don't know. But we never know until we try, right? Alright. So, I would show y'all the back. But somehow I never get y'all in for the full look of this. I never really get my when I'm trying to show y'all, I never get it on camera, so there's no point in even trying. All right, now let's go ahead and maybe there's something that's gonna come out. Okay, we're good. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. I definitely don't know if I'm doing this right. I mean, I am, but you know. Ooh. Let's see. I'm doing this like in the mirror. I'm gonna do it half on camera and I'm doing half of it off camera because God, this stuff stinks. All right. Ooh. Ooh. God, this smell don't be playing. Anywho. I can't really grip my hair like I want to with the gloves on, so it sucks. Ouch. Gosh. Now see how my sisters feel when I be doing their hair. Alright. Oh man. So because the video's gonna be like a million hours, I'm probably not gonna style it on camera. But I'm probably gonna show y'all what it looks like when it's officially done. But if not, then I'll probably upload some pictures. I'll probably take pictures with it, with the coloring, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it turned out, because the video probably a million times long, and I don't want it to be over 20 minutes long. I just don't want it to be. So, all right, and then nope. Try not to get on the shirt. Try not to get on the shirt. All right. Y'all, my head is really hot, so this still kind of feels good on my head. Where'd I get it at? All right, I guess that part. I don't even know where I got it at. I'm just doing whatever at this point. I'm done trying to be. I want to show y'all so bad. I don't know how I'm doing this. Alright. This video's gonna be forever long. My arms are tired. My arms are tired. They should not be this tired. Alright. Looks purple. Wait, I'm missing some. Hold on. I just missed all that right there. I'll get it in the ponytail. I'm missing so much back here. I ain't even peeping this. I'm literally getting what I can see, and I'm not getting what I can't, which is the issue. All right. Ouch. I should probably be using a comb for this. Matter of fact, I'm not going to use a comb. Oh my God, they get it on me. I got it right here. Oh my God, this stuff smells like pee so bad. Golly. This stuff stinks. I mean, I don't know if it's supposed to smell good. Let's hear that. Alright. Where I'm getting it all over me. Okay, you know what? Alright. See, look. Now I'm dyeing my whole room. Now I'm just coloring the bathroom. I'm not even coloring my hair. I'm coloring. Let me try and get on this man's carpet. Nope, we're good. Okay. Alright, y'all. This video's this video's already 10 minutes, so I'm probably gonna do the rest of this off camera. And I'm gonna show y'all the ending. Golly. Oh, I'm gonna get on my phone. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna come back. Oh my God. Alright. It's gonna get a little messy. I'll see y'all in about 2 hours.